start. The Pegasus suite of spywares can allegedly be used to compromise the digital devices of an individual through zero-click vulnerabilities, that is, without requiring any action on the part of the target of the software stop. Once the software infiltrates an individual's device, it allegedly has the capacity to access the entire stored data on the device and has real-time access to emails, texts, phone calls, as well as the camera and sound recording capabilities of the device stop. Once the device is infiltrated using Pegasus, the entire control over the device is allegedly handed over to the Pegasus user, who can then remotely control all the functionalities of the device and switch different features on or off stop. The NSO group purportedly sells this extremely powerful software only to certain undisclosed governments, and the end user of its products are exclusively government intelligence and law enforcement agencies, as per its own website Stop Pehra. In May 2019, the global messaging giant WhatsApp identified a vulnerability in its software that enabled Pegasus spyware to infiltrate the devices of WhatsApp's users stop. This news was followed by a disclosure that the devices of certain Indians were also affected, which fact was acknowledged by the then Honorable Minister of Law and Electronics and Information Technology in a statement made in the Parliament on 20th November 2019. Stop Pehra. On 15th June 2020, Citizen Laboratory, in collaboration with the international human rights organization Amnesty International, uncovered another spyware campaign which allegedly targeted 9 individuals in India, some of whom were already suspected targets in the first spyware attack. Stop Pehra. On 18th July 2021, a consortium of nearly 17 journalistic organizations from around the world, including one Indian organization, released the results of a long investigative effort indicating the alleged use of the Pegasus software on several private individuals' stop. This investigative effort was based on a list of some 50,000 leaked numbers which were allegedly under surveillance by clients of the NSO group through the Pegasus software stop. Initially, it was discovered that nearly 300 of these stop